Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. In the following video lectures, we are going to learn about basic CSS, that is cascading style sheets. This is a very simple web page which I made while I was learning CSS through Udemy. With the use of CSS, we are going to learn different features that we can add to our web page. For example, when we hover, the size and color of the text is changing. Instead of using simple unordered list, I am using an image to show the list. How to introduce different colors, how to give an imaginary frame to your whole web page, how to add images, how to change the cursor to a hand when I point out to a particular object, how to go to a particular link when I click on the in any of the object, how to use beautiful colors like this. So first we are going to plan the nodes and then I will give you the basic sections inside CSS. We will cover these sections in the following tutorials. First is inline, second is internal, third is external CSS, fourth is classes and IDs, sixth is box model, seventh is box model padding, eighth is box model border, ninth is box model outline, 10th is box model margin, 11th is background, 12th is plotting, 13th is positioning, 14th is display, 15th is text decoration, 16th is text align, 17th is text font, 18th is text effects, 19th is image sprites, 28th is image opacity, styling list, 22 is styling links, 23rd is gradients, 24th is 2D transitions, 25th is 3D transitions, 26th is transitions, and 27th is animations. After these sections are over, we are going to use HTML and CSS to make this web page. Let's structure out our nodes. Make a new folder inside your previous folder for CSS. Inside this, you are going to create all the folders for storing different sections of CSS. For example, open the CSS folder from here. Now you are going to create new files here and all the files will be stored in this folder. Thank you for listening to this video. From the next video, we are going to start with our first section, that is inline CSS.